The rainy day. "Let's go to school and take a photo," said Ralph the dolphin. Whitney the whale replied, "But the weather is rainy." "This is not fun," said Ralph. "Let's think of something to do." "Maybe we should sing the alphabet or try math," said Whitney. "Those things sound fun," said Ralph, "but I want to take a bath." "When will the rain stop?" asked Whitney, the blue and white whale. "Let's ask Moth." Whitney called Martha, the moth, on the phone. "When will the rain stop?" Martha looked at a graph and did some math. "In 5 minutes, I think." "Thank you, Miss Moth," said Ralph and Whitney. They had to think and repeated the alphabet to pass the time. A, B, C. "What is wrong?" asked Whitney. "This is taking too long," whined Ralph. Just as they got to the end of the alphabet, the sun came up, and the sky was white and blue. That pleased them.